Hello everyone, welcome back to GetJoy Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Marvel Arrival error failed to connect to the server or connection issue on your PC and how we can fix this error. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about we have to restart your PC. So just go over here. If you wanted to restart the PC, we just need to go over here. Just go over here. If you wanted to restart, just go over here. Now from here, click on this particular icon, go to this particular over here, and there is an option to restart, and we have to do a restart. So most probably sometimes restart can fix a lot of issue. So we need to try with a simple restart. Next one is all about we have to restart the Steam and we have to verify the game file. So if you just go over here, closing the Steam over here is actually not going to work because that's not a restart. So if you wanted to restart the Steam, what we need to do is just go over here, search for Steam, and you have to open the Steam. Now from here, just go over here at the top, click on this particular exit, so that as you can see, it will be shutting down. So this is actually the process of Steam. So this is how it gets completely down. And once you just go over here, now we have to just go over here and search for the Steam once again over here in the search, and do not open from here. Just make sure that you run it as an administrator and just go for yes. So right now, as you can see, the Steam will be launching it once again. It's like a restart for the Steam, and this is what you have to do when we say we have to restart the Steam. So once the Steam is successfully launched, what we need to do is you'll be getting these kind of option. And what we need to do is once the Steam is successfully launched, we have to verify the game file. Because I don't know how this is related, but the verify game file is very important. So we just need to close this, and we just need to go over here. Just go over here. And we just need to go over here in the Marvel Rivals, and from here what we need to do is we just need to, after the restart is done, just right click and go to the properties, go for installed file, and just verify integrity of game file. So what happens is this is going to take a little bit of time because it will be cross-checking every single files of a game, and if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be popping up. So because that is why we might be having the connection failed issue or connection initialization issue or the connection to the server issue and all those things. So we just need to wait. So what I'll do is I'll keep this over here and we'll move to the next step because this is going to take a lot of time. So the next one is all about we just need to go over here. The next one is all about we have to make sure the date, time and region is correct. So just go over here in the settings. Now from here we have to, from the settings, just navigate to time and language. Now from here make to the date and time. So make sure the time zone automatically should be turned on and time automatically should be turned on. Both should be turned on. And if you just go over here and you should have to make sure the region, if you just go over in the region, so just make sure that you have selected a country according to your configuration. So if you're from United States, select United States. If you're from United Kingdom, you have to select United Kingdom. So do it accordingly, the geography. So once you're done with this one, just go back and try launching the game. Still, if you're having the trouble, the next one is all about we need to run a few commands in the CMD. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type CMD over here, and I have to run it as an administrator like this. So I'm going to go for yes. Now the CMD is popping up, so I have to type the first one, that is IP config. I have to type IP config. I have to type IP config. Now I have to space slash. I have to type I have to use the slash. Is not working on my keyboard, so there is an issue with that. So what I'll do is I'll keep this, I'll keep slash. Okay, now I'll keep the slash, then I'll type flush DNS. I have to press enter, and now I have to type the next one, that is IP config. I have to give a space, then I have to give a slash, then I have to type release, and I have to press enter. Now I have to type IP config. Now I have to go for space slash, then I have to go for the next one, that is renew, and I have to press enter. I have to go for the next one, that is IP config space. I have to go for the slash once again. Sorry for that, my slash is not working on my keyboard. So I have to, okay, not this one, I have to do the next one, that is net sh winsock reset. I have to type this and I have to press enter, and I have to go for the next one, that is npsh int IP reset. I have to do this and I have to press enter. Now everything is done, and once everything is done, what I need to do is just close this, do a restart on your system, and try launching the game once again. Next one is all about, apart from this, what we need to do is, if you're using any kind of third-party antiviruses like Avast, AVG, and all these things, .exe should be, if it is already running. If the Windows security is already added, we just need to remove it. And also it is quite important that you have to make sure if they're running in the background. For example, if they're running over here in this particular background in the task manager, over here if they're utilizing the performance and all, so you just need to, right now as you can see, the Avast over here is running in the background, so just remove this. And once everything has been successfully removed, we just need to close this, and we have to go back and try launch the game. Next one is all about, we have to switch to a different network, or we have to use a new hotspot. So if you have multiple network, for example, right now as you can see, I'm connected to this one. I don't have any other, it is connected over here. So if you're having any other parallel Wi-Fi available, connections are available, just try switch back the network and try launch the game. Last and the least step is all about, you should be depending on the Ethernet. So that even worked for many users in my knowledge, so you can try this out as well. So these are some of the possible workarounds can be done, and most probably we have done one step. So once 926 files are successfully validated, just close this and try launch the game. And these are the possible workarounds, and I hope this video is helpful. See you soon in the next video. Bye.